Psalm 37 verse 4, delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. 1 Samuel 12 verse 24, but be sure to fear the Lord and serve Him faithfully with all your heart. Consider what great things He has done for you. Romans 5 verse 8, but God show how much He loved us, but by having Christ die for us, even though we were sinful. Matthew 1 verse 21. Then after her baby is born, name him Jesus, because he will save his people from their sins. Psalm 36 verse 9. The life-giving belongs to you. The life-giving belongs to you. And your light gives light to each of us.